Assalamu alaikum. Welcome all to Easy Human Anatomy channel. In this video, I discuss the general anatomy of the cardiovascular system, part 1. What is cardiovascular system? It actually is the closed transport system where blood is circulated by the pumping action of the heart. There are three types of circulation present in our body: systemic circulation, pulmonary circulation, and portal circulation. Systemic circulation is start when deoxygenated blood reaches the right atrium. This blood goes to the right ventricle, and by the pulmonary trunk or artery, it goes to the respiratory portion of the lung. After oxygenation, this blood again reaches the left atrium of the heart by the pulmonary vein, and this blood goes to the left ventricle, and through the aorta it goes to the tissue and from a capillary plexus, and this capillary plexus is from venule, then vein, and again this deoxygenated blood came into the heart. So this type of circulation is known as the systemic circulation. And you see there is only one set of capillary is present. Pulmonary circulation actually is the part of systemic circulation. You see, from the left ventricle, deoxygenated blood goes to the respiratory portion of the lung by the pulmonary artery. After oxygenation from respiratory portion of lung, this blood is reach the left atrium of the heart by the pulmonary vein. So this circulation is known as the pulmonary circulation. You see, in pulmonary circulation, a artery contains deoxygenated blood, but in the throughout the body, deoxygenated blood is present within the vein. But here, a artery contains deoxygenated blood, and this circulation, a vein contains oxygenated blood. And you see there is only one capillary plexus which present within the lung. So the similarity between systemic circulation and pulmonary circulation, there is both contain one set of capillary. Another type of circulation is the portal circulation. In portal circulation, there is two set of capillary is present. You see, the portal circulation is again divided into two types: the venous portal system and arterial portal system. You see, this is the gut. Here, one set of the capillary is present, and this capillary is unite from a vein, and this vein is reach within the liver, and again it form a capillary plexus, and again a vein is formed. So the first set of the capillary present in the gut wall, and second set of the capillary present in the liver. So when blood it pass two set of capillary after drain into the systemic circulation, this type of circulation is known as the portal circulation. This is the example of arterial portal system. Here the renal artery enter within the kidney and form first capillary plexus, the glomerulus, and they unite again from the efferent arteriole, and this arteriole again form a capillary plexus, the peritubular capillary plexus, and then it's form the vein, and then it's drained into the systemic circulation. So two sets of the capillary present within the kidney, one is glomerulus, another one is peritubular capillary plexus. So this type of portal circulation is known as the arterial portal circulation. This is the example of the renal portal system. This is the renal artery and smaller branch of the renal artery, arcuate artery, then from the efferent arteriole, first set of the capillary within the glomerulus, and this capillary is not continue as a vein. It's from another arteriole, efferent arteriole, and this efferent arteriole from another sets of capillary around the parts of the nephron, and this is known as the peritubular capillary plexus. And this peritubular capillary plexus unite to form the venule, then vein, then renal vein. So within the kidney there is a two set of the capillary, first set in the glomerulus, second set in the peritubular capillary plexus. Though this is the example of arterial portal system. And this is the example of venous portal system. This is the branch of abdominal aorta, and they enter the gut and from the first set of the capillary, and from this capillary venule and vein is formed. This is a special vein known as the portal vein. They contain deoxygenated blood and rich with nutrition, and this nutrition is metabolized within the liver, and due to this purpose this vein not directly drained into the systemic circulation, it goes into the liver and from the second set of the capillary, and this capillary is unite from the hepatic vein. This hepatic vein is drained into the systemic circulation. So this is the example of venous portal system. Another site of portal circulation is the pituitary portal system. You see there is a superior hypophyseal artery and inferior hypophyseal artery, and then from first capillary plexus in the hypothalamus and in the posterior pituitary. So this is known as the hypothalamic capillary and posterior pituitary capillary, and they form the second set of the capillary within the anterior pituitary gland, and through the hypophyseal vein the blood is drained. Now the flow chart of the systemic circulation: left ventricle of the heart, artery, capillary, venules, vein, then right atrium of the heart, right ventricle, pulmonary artery, lung, 4 pulmonary vein, left atrium, left ventricle. The flow chart of the pulmonary circulation: right ventricle, pulmonary artery, lung, 4 pulmonary vein, and left atrium. Now sequence of blood vessel in circulatory system: heart, elastic artery or large artery, medium size artery, small size artery, arteriole, terminal arteriole, meta-arteriole, P capillary sphincter, capillary, venule, vein, heart. Now what do you mean by the blood vessel? Blood vessel is the component of the circulatory system which is the tubular structure carrying blood through the tissue and organ, and vein, artery, capillary all are the part of the blood vessel, and function: they transport blood for nutrition, respiration, excretion of the waste product of the body. So this is all about part 1, and if you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe my channel and watch my part 2 video. Thank you for watching.